Welcome back viewers to my YouTube channel Albaro eMoney with a new video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and comment and question if you have any. Let's move to the video. Open the website, the link given in the description. First step is to claim daily bonus. It takes a few seconds. This activity gives coins, energy and experience. I am on day 281 consistently and regularly working on this website. Next step to earn coin is faucet. Click on the faucet and fill the captcha and you get the 63.195 coins. Coins increase by percentage if you ensure your presence on this website daily basis. The next way to earn is PTC ads. 16 ads are available. Open the one ad. It takes few seconds to complete and you got the 20 coins. Another way to earn is short links. It gives bigger amount of coins as compared to PTC ads. Follow the instructions given in the short link website. It takes only 1 or 2 minutes to complete. And you got the 100 coins. You do all these short links to get 13,900 coins available to earn. The next way to earn is a dice game. Put a value on the first row and select any option on the right side on which you thought that your given value will fall within. You won 15.6 coins. This is easy but risky way to earn. You may lose all your coins if you do not play it wisely. Another way to earn is offer walls. Many options to earn here. You can fill the surveys, see the ads, play the games, complete the task. It's up to you how much time you spend on it to earn. One click earn is a wheel of luck. You can avail it daily once in a day. The viewers, I try to convey all the possible ways to earn about this website. The best part of this website I personally like that it gives you withdraw on 1000 coins only. I will share a separate video on the withdraw of this website. Till then, stay connected and subscribe my channel to get the latest informative videos. Thank you.